In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give a client discount on Fresha. Whether you're rewarding a loyal customer or running a special promotion, knowing how to apply discounts efficiently can enhance your service offerings and boost client satisfaction. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Fresha website. Fresha is a fantastic tool for managing appointments and transactions, so if you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find the specific appointment you wish to discount. Simply locate your client's scheduled appointment on your dashboard. This view will give you an overview of all scheduled services, making it easy to locate your target appointment amid a busy schedule. Now that you've selected the appropriate client appointment, you're ready to proceed to the transaction details. Click on the Checkout option. Doing so will open up the Transaction Details panel, which houses all the necessary information regarding this appointment, including services, prices, and client details. It's crucial to be in this section to apply any changes to the transaction. Next, within the Checkout section, you will notice 3 dots, or an options menu. This is your key to managing your transaction settings. Clicking these dots will unveil a drop-down menu. Look for and select the option labeled Apply a Discount. This functionality is powerful as it allows you to tailor discounts directly, making them visible to your clients right on their billing statement. Upon selecting to apply a discount, you will be prompted to enter the discount specifics. Here, you have the flexibility to decide on the kind of discount you wish to apply. You can choose to input a fixed value discount, such as a specific monetary amount, or opt for a percentage-based discount, which recalculates the total based on the proportion of the original price. Decide which works best for this client and enter the corresponding figure in the appropriate field. Finally, after entering the discount details, finalize this action by clicking Add. By doing this, you effectively apply the discount to the appointment's total price, and you should see the adjusted amount reflected immediately in the transaction details. Your client's bill is updated, showing the discount applied, making your generosity visible and transparent. Thank you for watching. Remember, providing discounts through Fresha not only promotes a personalized client experience, but also keeps your offerings competitive and compelling. Implement these discounting strategies with ease and watch your customer loyalty grow. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more helpful tips and guides.